Thanks to StudioCanal for sending me their 4K remaster of Stephen King's Cat's Eye, one of my favourite 80s horror films. The film was produced by legendary movie mogul Dino De Laurentiis, who was behind the gigantic remake of King Kong, The First Dune, and the ultimate cult movie Flash Gordon. I even wrote a book about it. The film was co-produced by Milton Subotsky, the first producer to option Stephen King's books and the first producer to bring Doctor Who to the cinema screen. Twice. Dino would produce 6 feature films based on Stephen King novels: The Dead Zone, Sometimes They Come Back, Silver Bullets, Maximum Overdrive, and Firestarter with the 9-year-old Drew Barrymore. She would return a year later for Cat's Eye. This is an anthology horror film, a series of short stories woven together. Of King's other anthology movies, Creepshow 1, Creepshow 2, and Tales from the Dark Side, this is by far my favourite. The first 2 segments from Cat's Eye were taken from existing Stephen King short stories from his 1978 volume called Night Shift. In the first film, Quitters, we see James Woods, who's giving up cigarettes with extreme encouragement. In the next section, The Ledge, we see Dune actor Keith McMillan, who played Baron Harkonnen, return as another villainous man, abusing his power and influence with grave consequences. The final story, General, we see a now 10-year-old Drew Barrymore facing off with a devilish gremlin-like creature created by triple Oscar master monster maker Carlo Rambaldi, responsible for E.T. and Alien. The film is called Cat's Eye because each segment is tied together by Drew's cat. There are some great extras too on this new release. A new interview with director Lewis Teague, actor Robert Hayes remembers The Ledge, there's a conversation with animal trainer Teresa Ann Miller, and of course the original theatrical trailer. Take time to listen to the great synthesizer score by Alan Silvestri. Later on in the same year, he would go on to produce the epic score Back to the Future. Well, with my Cat's Eye 4K and my mask, I'm pretty sure I'll be safe from any gremlins under the bed.